Okay, half for half around the house. We're going to pull a 3,000 pound trailer of dirt, which isn't much for this little Power King. Let's start it up. Let's hook her up. Spin her out. All right, that ought to be good. We'll put her in second gear. First transmission, second gear, second transmission, see how it goes. Oh, like nothing. Put it in third gear. There we go. Okay, we have a little hill right here. Yeah, that wasn't a problem at all. Yeah, these tractors can pull quite a bit of weight. I've had this, I don't know what, that's a 10 foot by whatever 5 foot utility trailer. I've had that thing just stacked and that thing's pulled it. The only thing that limits it, of course, is the weight in the back. I mean, you gotta be pretty careful. So yeah, I've had that thing weighted down a lot. I mean, I've had that thing absolutely full and that tractor's always pulled it. Steered okay, pulled it okay. They're nice tractors. If you can find one, pick one up. This is Half for Half Around the House. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.